Get the most out of your Samsung interactive display with these helpful tips and tricks. Number 1. Customize the display toolbar for quick access to your favorite apps and widgets. Number 2. Use the split screen feature to simultaneously show an app and browser. Number 3. Build in apps and tools on the display, such as timers and stopwatches, let teachers get creative with their lessons, fostering a learning environment that students love. Number 4. On the interactive display, you can record your lesson and save it to your cloud platform of choice, such as Google Drive and Microsoft OneDrive. Number 5. The mirroring and broadcasting feature allows teachers and students to mirror their devices onto the display, or for teachers to broadcast the display onto individual devices. Number 6. A rich whiteboard tool called NoteApp allows teachers to create different shapes, make quick tables and charts, or draw just as they would on a whiteboard. All the features and tools on the Samsung interactive display are designed to enhance the classroom.